Right, I'm going to show you how to put drawcord through a duct where it isn't already installed. So all you need is a hoover, we've got Henry, and some plastic. So I'm going to leave this bit of plastic here, and then we're going to go outside, and they've got the drawcord. Right. So wait until I fire it over up, and then just sort of like put your hand in, and then let the hoover grab it. Try again.
You're phoning me again?
Yeah. Right, take two. Only this time I'm going to take this to the pipe. Just make a little incision. Right, I'm going to put over in now. Right. It will do, but it's got full foot. Is it still going? Yeah, I've got it. Alright, sound.
Right.
There we go. That is how you do a drawcord. Cut it there. And just tape that to the pipe. And that is how you do a drawcord.